All right, we got another one. Pulled it out of storage. It's been in storage for about 8 years. Just serviced it, polished it, cleaned it, and restored it. Everything's been greased up. Model 1355, made in August 7th of 2007. There's your back end panel. The front end panel, well, put the sticker in a weird spot. Right there. The top was pretty corroded. I got it pretty polished up pretty good. You know, where there was some paint missing here is where it was rusting on the case. Do you guys yourself a favor. If you're going to store these, don't store them in unclimate controlled storage like a public storage unit. It doesn't do well on anything that's metal. But you know, it's not perfect. It's about 85–90%. But you know what? It's for the collection. Still an excellent machine. You know, for being an economy model, this is Chamberlain's half horsepower economy model from this era. This thing was quieter than almost every AC competitor machine out there that was a half horse. I mean, absolutely astonishing how well these were made. There is case isolation on both end panels and on the chassis on these, unlike some of the other machines that they sell today. Very good machine, but thought I'd give you a video of it. Let me run here with the 377LM with the 1234 code. Okay, and we go back down here. Very quiet for an 18-year-old unit that sat in storage and went through hell and back with the corrosion. Yeah, great machine. By the way, if these do not coast when they shut off like that, if that sprocket up there does not coast a little bit with nothing attached like it is right now, when they shut off, your end bearings are too tight. How I know is this 3265 right here. It had it too tight and it got so hot with the friction it actually melted the interrupter cup on the RPM sensor. So, little tidbit for you. But anyway, figured I'd share it with you. Out of storage and restored to be put back on the shelf and cherished. So, have a good one.